A lot of users are randomly facing this issue that right after they've connected their AirPods for ANC to their iPhone, it does not show up in the Bluetooth device list. Now it's properly paired, they're getting the pop-up every now and then, but they can't find the name in the Bluetooth list. If you're having the same problem, keep watching this video to get some quick fixes. Now first, just go straight to the Bluetooth settings. Now here, if you think a lot of devices are paired with your iPhone right now, just go ahead and unpair the ones that you hardly use. Now after that, turn off Bluetooth, wait for around 10 seconds and then just turn it back on. See if the name now appears or not. If it's still not appearing, might be some minor glitch, don't worry, just go ahead, force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and down button and keep pressing the sub button until the screen goes black. After your iPhone restarts properly, you can check the Bluetooth section once again. Now, if it still doesn't appear, there is a trick that you can try. Just go ahead, take off the buds, wear them, and then just go ahead, listen to something for a while. If it's still not showing up in the Bluetooth list, just go ahead, plug it in, charge your AirPods for a while. If it still doesn't show up, and since we cannot manually unpair it from our iPhone, now we're gonna straight reset our AirPods. Make sure both the buds are inside the case. Now close the lid for a couple of seconds and then just go ahead, open it up. Make sure the LED is on. Now double tap 3 times under the LED. With 3 beeps, it'll start blinking orange LED. And then in a few moments, it'll go into pairing mode with this flashing white LED. After the reset, just go ahead, newly repair and reconnect your AirPods with your iPhone once again. Now in most times, after this point, you should see the name on your Bluetooth devices list. If it's still not showing up in your case, don't worry, lastly, we're gonna just go ahead reset network settings. From settings to general, scroll down till the end to transfer or reset iPhone, to reset, and from there to reset network settings. Now this will delete all your network settings, including your Wi-Fi passwords. If you are okay with that, just go ahead and reset network settings once. After the reset is done, your iPhone restarts from there again. You should find the name in the Bluetooth devices list. And if needed, just go ahead and reconnect it with your iPhone once again. And that's all. Hope this video could help you solve this problem. Thank you for watching.